बिस्मिल्लाह।
Dear students, this is the third video of the chapter Inverse Trigonometric Function. Now let us solve some of the problems of that chapter. Now let us start with this. Express tan inverse of cos x divided by 1 minus sin x, where minus pi by 2 is less than x is less than 3 pi by 2 in the simplest form. Now look here. Now we can write this as tan inverse of cos x by 1 minus sin x. Here we take the help of the half angle formulas. That is, tan inverse of cos x can be written as it is cos square x by 2 minus it is sin square x by 2 divided by this 1. 1 can be written as cos square x by 2 plus sin square x by 2, and the sin x in terms of half angle is given by 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Now you see, we apply the formula of it is a square minus b square. That will be cos x by 2 minus it is sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 whole divided by. Now you see carefully, this is a square plus b square minus 2ab formula. That is cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2, it is whole square. Now one bracket cancel with one bracket and one bracket in the denominator is remaining. It will be cos x by 2 plus it is sin x by 2 divided by, it is cos x by 2 minus it is sin x by 2. Now we divide the numerator and denominator of this quantity by cos x by 2. So what we get is here, dividing numerator and denominator by cos x by 2, we get 1 here, and here sin by cos means it is tan x by 2 divided by, it is 1 minus sin by cos again tan x by 2. Look here. Write this as it is tan inverse of, one can be written as tan 45, that is tan pi by 4, plus it is tan x by 2 divided by this one, we keep it as it is to adjust in the formula, and we multiply by tan 45 by ourselves to adjust in the formula, because the value of tan 1 into tan x by 2 will be tan x by 2. But see this, it is of the type tan inverse of x plus y divided by 1 minus it is x1. So here that is given by the formula tan inverse x, x means tan pi by 4, plus it is tan inverse of it is y is nothing but it is tan x by 2, and here this cancel, pi by 4 plus it is tan and tan inverse cancel, that is x by 2. This is the simplified form of the given problem. Awesome. Express tan inverse of, it is under root 1 plus x square minus 1 by x in the simplified form. x is not equal to 0. Now, as this suggests that we have to substitute x is equal to tan theta. So put x is equal to tan theta. Then theta will be equal to tan inverse of x. This will be tan inverse of under root 1 plus tan square theta minus 1 by it is x. And this will be tan inverse. You see 1 plus tan square theta is sec square theta. Root of sec square is sec theta minus 1 by it is tan theta. Now we write it as tan inverse of it is sec can be written as 1 by cos minus 1. This tan can be written as sin by cos. That is, we take LCM. Let us do here. Let us take LCM. Tan inverse of it is cos theta is the LCM. 1 minus cos theta divided by it is sin theta by it is cos theta. Now cos theta get cancelled, and we apply the formula of again half angle 1 minus cos theta 2 cos square theta by divided by this sin theta in half angle will be 2 sin theta by 2 into it is cos theta by 2. 1 cos cancel with 1 cos, 2 cancel with 2, cos by sin, that is, 1 minus cos square theta by, here it should be sin square theta, 1 minus cos theta. And if it is plus, then it will be cos square. So here it will be tan inverse of it is sin by cos is remaining, that is tan theta by 2. And now tan and tan inverse cancel each other. Theta by 2, that is 1 by 2 into theta is given by it is tan inverse x, which is the simplified form of the given problem. Express tan inverse of under root 1 minus cos x divided by 1 plus cos x, where x is less than pi, in the simplified form of. So here again we take the help of the half angle formulas. Tan inverse of 1 minus cos x 2 sin square x by 2, 1 plus cos x 2 cos square x by 2. That is, you see 2 cancel with 2, sin by cos it's tan, root of tan square is tan x. Tan inverse of tan x by 2. And now you can see tan and tan inverse cancel each other. X by 2 is the very simplified form of the tan inverse under root 1 minus cos x by 1 plus cos x. Next problem. Write the simplified form of tan inverse of cos x minus sin x divided by cos x plus sin x, where 0 is less than x is less than pi. Now, this earlier we got this type of problem in solving the another problem. What we do is, to the numerator and denominator we divide it by cos x. Dividing numerator and denominator by cos x. What we get is here tan inverse of cos x by cos x, 1, that is sin x by cos x, that is tan x. Here again cos x by cos x, 1, that is sin x by cos x, again it is tan x. Now this is adjustment, that is tan inverse. 1 can be written as tan 45, tan pi by 4, minus tan x divided by 1 plus, and here tan 45 we multiply by what, because the value is 1. 1 into tan x will be tan x. See carefully, what is this formula? Tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. That is nothing but tan inverse of it is x, means it is tan pi by 4, minus tan inverse of it is tan x. You can see tan inverse and tan cancel each other, that is pi by 4 minus it is x. That is the simplified form of it is tan inverse x. That is right. It is cot inverse of 1 by under root x square minus 1 in the simplified form. Now, this root suggests that substitution should be x is equal to sec theta. Then theta will be equal to sec inverse of x. Now our problem becomes tan inverse 1 by x square, that is sec square theta minus 1. That is cot inverse of sec square theta minus 1 is tan square. Root of tan square is tan. And 1 by tan is nothing but it is cot. That is cot theta. Now cot and cot inverse cancel each other. Theta is nothing but it is sec inverse x, which is the simplified form of the given quantity here. Write the simplified form of tan inverse of 3a square x minus x cube divided by it is a cube minus 3ax square, where a is greater than 0 and minus a by it is root 3 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to a by root 3. These are the conditions for which the given problem holds me. Okay. Now by looking to this, our substitution should be put x is equal to a tan theta. Then here it is tan theta is equal to x by a, or theta can be written as tan inverse it is x by a. Now we write this as tan inverse of 3a square x means 3a cube tan theta minus x cube a cube tan cube theta divided by a cube minus 3a into a square a cube again, a cube tan square theta. Now in the numerator and denominator you can see a cube can be taken common and cancelled. So therefore we can write this as tan inverse of 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. See carefully, this is the formula of tan 3 theta. So therefore we can write tan inverse of tan 3 theta. And now tan and tan inverse cancel each other. So what remains is here 3 theta, 3 into it is theta is nothing but tan inverse x by a, which is the simplified form of the given problem. Next problem. Find the value of cot of tan inverse A plus cot inverse A. Tan inverse A plus cot inverse A. We know we have proved the list of formula. you can see in the fourth set of formulas, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. We make use of that formula and we write tan inverse a plus cot inverse a is equal to it is pi by 2. And we know the value of cot 90 will be 0. That is the answer for this. And it is asked for the 1 mark here. A similar question I will give one more question. That is, it is of the same formula also. Look here. Find the value of it is cos of it is sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x, where it is mod of x is greater than or equal to. Again the same formula we apply here and we can write this as cos of sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x, that is pi by 2. And we know cos 90 is equal to, again it is 0. Next problem, that is find the value of tan inverse of 2 cos of it is 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. 2 sin inverse 1 by 2. Now here tan inverse of 2 cos it is 2 into sin inverse. We have to write down the value of 1 by 2 in terms of sin. We know sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2, sin pi by 6. Look here, sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2. Now we write it is tan inverse of 2 cos, 2 sin and sin inverse cancel each other. This is pi by 6 now. That is equal to tan inverse of 2 into cos. After simplification we get cos pi by 3. And what is the value of tan this cos 60? That is 1 by 2. That 2 cancel with this 2. We get tan inverse of it is 1. Tan inverse of 1 we write it as tan pi by 4. And you know tan and tan inverse cancel each other. Our answer is pi by 4. Find the value of tan of 1 by 2 into it is sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square plus cos inverse of it is 1 minus y square by 1 plus y square, where mod x is less than 1, it is y is greater than 0 and it is xy it is less than 1. These are the required conditions for which the problem goes good. Now here this type of problems we have solved already. So here let us substitute, put x is equal to tan alpha. Therefore alpha is equal to tan inverse x. And here we put y is equal to tan beta. Beta is equal to tan inverse of it is y. Now that is tan of it is 1 by 2 into sin inverse it is 2 tan alpha by 1 plus tan square alpha. And here cos inverse of this is 1 minus tan square beta divided by 1 plus tan square beta. Now you see here it is tan of it is 1 by 2 sin inverse of, now 2 tan alpha by 1 plus tan square, nothing but it is sin of 2 alpha. And here cos inverse of it is nothing but cos 2 alpha. Now these two get cancelled. Tan of it is 1 by 2 2 alpha plus 2 beta. Now 2 can be taken common and cancel. What remains is here tan alpha plus beta. Now we apply the formula of tan alpha plus beta and we write tan alpha plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan alpha tan beta. And this is nothing but tan alpha is equal to it is x here. And tan beta is equal to it is y divided by 1 minus xy is the value of the given quantity here. Next problem. If sine inverse 1 by 5 plus it is cos inverse x is equal to 1, then find the value of x. Find the value of x. This is there. Now, let us solve this. Here, a given problem is we have it is sine of it is sine inverse it is 1 by 5 plus it is cos inverse of it is x can be written as is equal to 1 given here. Now, let us see here, consider, we take by ourselves, we'll see what happens if you take x is equal to 1 by 5. Sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse 1 by 5. By the formula you know, sine inverse 1x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. That is nothing but sine pi by 2. And sine pi by 2 is 1. Just compare 1 and 2. Directly you can say the value of x is equal to it is 1 by 5. Therefore, from 1 and 2 we can write x is equal to it is 1 by 5. That is the required answer for this. Sine inverse it is sine of 3 pi by 5. Now you see here, normally what we do is here, when it is in the range, directly we cancel it. But here 3 pi by 5 does not belong to the closed interval minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. It is beyond the range. Therefore, directly we cannot cancel. What we should do is here, we should write this as it is sine inverse of sine of 3 pi by 4 can be written as it is pi minus it is 2 pi by 5. 5 pi minus 2 pi, 3 pi by 5. Look here how we are writing. Sine, same 3 pi by 5 we are simplifying as pi minus 2 pi by 5. Because after taking LCM you get 3 pi by 5 only, and it is of the type sine 180 minus theta. That is nothing but it is sine of it is 2 pi by 5. And now you can see the value 2 pi by 5 is in the range. It is between minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. We can cancel it. Our answer is 2 pi by 5. This is the actual value of this given problem. The value of cos inverse of cos 7 pi by 6. 7 pi by 6. We know the range of cos inverse is from it is 0 to pi, and we see there this value does not belong to that range, therefore we cannot cancel directly. we have to simplify it. That is cos inverse of cos of it is, we can write this as it is pi plus it is pi by 6. That is 7 pi by 6. Now that is equal to cos inverse of cos 180 plus theta. Cos 180 plus theta, 180 means cos it is minus cos theta. Now we will apply the formula cos inverse minus x, that is pi minus it is cos inverse of it is x. Now cos and cos inverse cancel each other. We can write pi minus it is pi by 6. They take LCM, 6 pi minus pi is 5 pi by 6 is the solution, is the value of this given problem. Next problem. Find the value of tan inverse of it is tan 3 pi by 5. 3 pi by 4 sorry. So again we observe that the value 3 pi by 4, it is not between the minus pi by 4 to plus pi by 4. So therefore we have to simplify it. That is tan inverse of it is tan of it is pi plus 3 pi by 4. Pi by 4 pi minus pi 3 pi by 4. Correct. So therefore tan 180 minus theta, that is equal to minus tan theta. And you know tan inverse minus x is equal to minus tan inverse of it is x. And you know tan and tan inverse cancel each other. The answer is minus pi by 4, which is the value of given problem. Find the value of sine of it is pi by 3 minus sine inverse of it is minus 1 by 2. We have to find out the value of this quantity here. Look at this. We can write this as sine of it is pi by 3 minus sine inverse minus x, that is minus sine inverse x. Minus and this minus will be plus. Sine inverse of it is 1 by 2. We can write this as sine of pi by 3 plus sine inverse. Write down the value of 1 by 2 in terms of sine, that is sine pi by 6. Now you can cancel sine and sine inverse. We get it is sine of it is pi by 3 plus pi by 6. That is equal to, add them, sine of it is pi by 2. And we know the value of sine 90 is equal to it is 1. That is the given problem. Next problem. Find the value of tan inverse of root 3 minus cot inverse of it is minus root 3. We can write this as it is tan inverse root 3. Root 3 can be written as tan of pi by 3. Tan 60 is root 3. Cot inverse minus x. We know the formula of cot inverse minus x is pi minus cot inverse x. Look here. Pi minus cot inverse x. That is tan and tan inverse cancel each other. Pi by 3, it is minus pi, minus into minus plus. Cot inverse root 3 can be written as cot pi by 6. That is pi by 3 minus pi cot and cot inverse cancel each other, that is pi by 6. Therefore we have pi by 3 plus pi by 6 is pi by 2 minus pi, that is equal to minus pi by 2 is the required answer for this problem. Next problem. Prove that 2 sine inverse, it is 2 sine inverse 3 by 5 is equal to tan inverse, it is 24 by 7. 24 by 7. Now we can write this as if this can be written as tan of, it is 2 sine inverse 3 by 5 should be proved as 24 by it is 7, equation 1. If you prove equation 1 means we are proving the given problem. Consider the left hand side. Let sine inverse 3 by 5 is equal to alpha. Then you know sine alpha is equal to 3 by 5. So we draw the triangle. Suppose this is the alpha. Sine opposite side by hypotenuse. By Pythagoras theorem, this will be 4 here. So we get it is now tan of, it is 2 sine inverse, it is 3 by 5. Tan of, it is 2 alpha. Now use any formula of tan alpha, tan 2 alpha, that is tan 2 alpha is equal to, is in terms of tan 2 alpha, where it will be tan 2 alpha is equal to, it is 2 tan alpha divided by 1 minus tan square alpha, that is 2 into tan alpha 3 by 4. 1 minus it is 3 by 4 square. Simplify. 6 by 4 by 1 minus 9 by it is 16. That is 6 by 4. It is 16 minus 9, that is 7 by 16. And you know by simplification we get 24 by it is 7. That is the required answer for the given problem.